Hello there. I want to talk to you today about eye safety. Most important thing a welder has is your eyes. Without them, you ain't gonna be working. I want to talk to you about a few different kinds of eyeglasses that you might want to have in your toolbox. A pair like this is pretty much a standard of any welder. Really, if you think about it, if you're around people that are grinding around you, these really don't provide much protection unless it's coming straight at you. If it gets you between your eyes, around where your glasses and your eyes are, it's going to get you. Now this type of glass provides a little bit more protection. They come in various types. They have a foam inner lining which helps protect your eyes a little bit better. Now this one here has grooves in it which allows airflow. If you get the ones that are completely sealed, from a distance you can tell. They're intended, they fog up quite a bit, especially in colder weather. You put them on, and the next thing you know, your eyes are all foggy and you can't see nothing. But these, they got air vents in them, is what I call them. So these might be a better option for you if you have people that are around you grinding. They provide a lot more support. They feel more comfortable, and they don't have the big gaps that these standard pair do. Now they do cost a bit more, but to save your eyes, they are worth it. Now if you're working outside, you might prefer the tinted lenses. They look a little better too, in my opinion. But here again, these are the standard, cheap tinted glass lenses. And these also come in different brands with the foam linings, which these are going to be my standard right here, the foam lined ones. They're more comfortable. They might cost a couple of dollars more, but they are worth it. And last but not least, I'm going to talk to you about the goggles. Now these here have air vents in them. Now, if you're like me, I worked in a steel mill before. And they had grinders all around me shooting these sparks, 40, 50 feet. And there was, a dozen of them all around you. You're sitting there trying to weld with sparks and grinding dust going all in your hood. These glasses in that situation are no good. Trust me, I learned the hard way. There for a few days, I was going to the doctor every day to get pieces of metal out of my eyes. If you're in that situation when you got a lot of people around you grinding, get you a good pair of goggles. Alright? Even in that situation, I would not trust these, because these do have gaps here on the side. And if you got grinding dust, if you're welding, you got dust and sparks and everything going all around inside your welding hood, you're going to want to make sure your entire face is covered. And these will seal around your entire face, keeping that stuff out of your eyes. One other thing I want to talk to you about. Now how you guys, you'll be around grinders, he'll take your hood off, and next thing you know, you got something in your eye. Well, good thing is on your hats, your welding caps, there's dust and scrap metal from people grinding and welding and stuff all around you. Do yourself a favor. Dust that stuff off before you take your hat off. Just lean your head over, shake it off. About the worst thing you can do is have a bunch of people blowing with the air hose. Now I know that's standard, but they don't think about blowing that shrapnel into somebody else's eye or anything. Make sure if you see them people doing that, turn your back on them, because if you don't, they're liable to blow some of that right in your eye. That's happened. Make sure you get the right pair of safety glasses for the right situation, and keep the metal out of your eyes. Because trust me, going to the doctor to get pieces of metal taken out of your eyes is not any fun. See you next time.
Ha ha ha!